Hi guys, I'm really excited because this is my first unboxing video and I'm going to bring you today some brand that's called Maniko Nails. The Maniko Nails is great because they tell us that you don't have to use the paint. It's a sticker that you put in your nails and then it lasts at least 10 days, and that's wonderful for me because I have problems in putting the paint for the nails polish. It only lasts in my nails like 2-3 days because I usually do many things and then the paint goes out. So I'm doing my first unboxing and I hope I could be useful for people who want to know if the Maniko Nails works and lasts. So I'm going to do the unboxing and then I'll post a video after 10 days to show you how my nails are. And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the bell so you can know when I have new posts. I post every week new videos, also unboxing, so subscribe me please, okay? I hope you enjoy, that I can be useful. So guys, this is the Maniko Nails package that I received yesterday. It says Maniko Nails Male and it's rose, metallic rose. It's a beautiful package. So the moment has arrived. Finally, I'm going to open the package. I was waiting for you to open this. Let's see. No scissors needed. And now I'm going to take what's inside the package. Let's see. We see at the same time. Wow, very nice. It's a purse, a plastic purse with a zip that says Maniko. You can use it with your products. Let's open. Oh, so sweet. It has hearts, small hearts inside. I thought it was a plastic inside, but it's from the purse with little hearts. Very nice. So it can protect like a cushion. And now let's see. It has You've got great taste. Gorgeous. And let's see. They have here the instructions, how to apply. So neat. It has all the steps that you should do to apply. Let's see what's inside more. And you have the base coat. It's the first layer that you put. And the top coat. The nail polish remover. They say it goes out very easy. And here are the strips. I choose the red ones. The color is crimson, but you can choose different patterns. Now they have the summer collection too. It's wonderful, so you can choose different patterns for your nails. And I chose the red and the pink because I love pink. Candy pink. Really nice. So this is the starter kit. They say it has all the things. You have 2 different stickers that you can choose, and they say it's all you need to start to use Maniko Nails. The first step they tell us to do in the instructions here is to push back cuticles. So I'll do that here with the stick. I'm going to push back the cuticles. And then the second step is to clean. So you should clean your nails with the Maniko nail polish remover that they have in the package. So I'll put some remover here. And you should clean your nails first with the remover. Your next step is to nourish. So you can apply the Maniko Nails base coat. It says it helps nourish your nails while wearing your nail polish strips. So that's what I'm going to do to apply the base coat. Applying on my nails so they say it nourishes. So now the fourth step is to choose the size. I have chosen these strips, the crimson, the really red ones. So it says you should choose the smaller size for natural nails and the larger size for gel or acrylic nails. So I'm going to open it. It also has here the instructions, the full instructions. Taking the strips out, really red and beautiful, really classic red. So now I'm going to open the strips. You have here something to tear. And so what you have to do is to put your finger here. It has different numbers, so you have to choose the strip that fits better in your nail. So in my case is the 13. You should choose between the two, the smaller one. So I choose the 13 and I'm going to take it out and put it on my nail. So now I'm going to open the plastic. I'm going to take the strip and now I'm going to put it on my nail. I should press it, as they say, press down from the center towards the tip of your nail. So I'm pressing down until it reaches the tip of my nail, you see? So now the other step is to cut off the excess with nail scissors, but leave just enough so that you can still fold it up over the nail tip. So I'm going to cut and leave a bit a margin so I can fold it over the nail tip like that, you see? And this part, if you have short nails, you can put this on another nail tip. You can fold and don't stretch too much. I have to tell you something. This starter kit doesn't come with a cuticle remover for the first step. That it was useful they could include, and doesn't include either the file, the Maniko glass nail file that we need for this step that we are going to do now. So with the file that doesn't come in the starter kit, so I'll use another one that I have at my home. You have to cut off the tip on an horizontal way, you see? So you have to cut off the tips so the excess comes out. So they say in horizontal way, so you should cut it out. So it should come out. You see? You have to be careful not to take out the folded part. Okay. And so now the last step is to seal. So everything is done, and the last step is to seal with the top coat. So you have to finish by sealing it with one layer of top coat. And don't forget to seal the nail edge to avoid tip wear. So the smell is not strong and very easy to apply. You have to put the top coat on your nail and also on the tip so it doesn't come out. So guys, I finished. The nails are really nice and beautiful. So I'll do another video after 10 days just to tell you what I think and about the Maniko nails, and I have a rate from 1 to 10, which rate would I give, and if I would buy it again. But for now, the nails are really beautiful and I'm loving it. So please keep in touch and go to my another video to know what I felt about the Maniko nails. Okay, bye bye. See you soon. Hi everyone. I am here as I promised after 10 days to tell you what I felt about the Maniko nails. I'm doing my review, my final review to the video I posted before. So I want to show you my nails after 10 days. They are great because, as I told you, I do many things and I use my nails and my hands. I do the dishes and lots of things in gardening. So it's much better than the usual nail polish that to the paint. It's much better. So my final note from 1 to 10, I give to the Maniko nails 8. So I give 8 out of 10 because they should bring in the starter kit the basic things, including the glass nail file and also the cuticle remover, and they don't bring those two things. But I love the Maniko nails. Now I must buy the new summer collection, and it's excellent. So I recommend, if you don't want to have a lot of trouble with the paint like me, and you see that the resistance after 10 days, they are wonderful, because I did many things and they are still here and with a good appearance. So I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that you can subscribe it and turn on the bell for notifications. So check out my channel for new unboxing reviews. Bye!